What is up? What is up? Yeah, it's your boy Danny British and Ives. Nacho. And today I touch on the road because Daddy have a heap of business video. Daddy I bring you with him. That's right. That's right. You and mommy I come bring Daddy go hang business and all these stuff. Right? Right? Yo, you know, long. I buy this. Feel me, baby? And don't rascal pull you out. Me need to take you out of the vehicle. Sometimes it come like me just spend money for that shit. Yeah, because all that shit when get spent, or shit when get open, me say, see, my brain I'm go spend. See, my brain I say, yo, money well spent. Go spend some more. Yeah, it's a boy Danny British, man, I tell you. Out there in a big body range, you know. You know me and my daughter with me. My daughter there, you know. I run go shop, go get some things, you know. Before I go up on the road. Hurry up, no old man. Drive that thing quick, no man. Old man in a Volkswagen. Yeah. Exercise my feet, you know. Not true, V. Daddy have to stress in your leg sometimes, man. Stretch your leg, you know. Look for my rascal tank. See my tank there, you know. See it there? That's what? Half tank, you know. Half tank of gas. I really want to see how much it going to cost me if you full up from half tank of gas. You see me, I say? Yeah. Because them gas prices, yeah. Turn on my heated steering wheel. Them gas prices I get out of hand, kid. For real, buddy. Brother, right road, they say you go park you up in a corner, the man. At least he park you out the road still. The blood clot. Evie, because if you boy when just left the tail in the road a little bit more, you know, man, a problem, you know. See the Freemason Center they open today. Yeah. 33 degrees. Huh. Who knows? I have to go get a backwood. See me? Time to spend the Monty. It's all about the motherfucking Monty. Start me there right, you know? Or start me there wrong, depends on oh you look on it, man. Yeah. What we looking like? $69. Damn. I did have half tank of gas, you know. That me I tell you. Half tank of motherfucking gas. My gauge must run. Because if I have tank, I guess I may get 12 gallons, a 24 gallon tank. I mean, no, a 24 gallon tank is an 18 gallon tank. Which means, I'm not getting a motherfucking half tank of gas. Which means, somebody they rob me. Either my ranger lie to me, or tell me, say, you have half tank when you don't have half. Or the gas station, I charge me more than whatever you charge me. You see me, and I tell me, say them give me 12 gallon when me not get 12 gallon. So I don't know who to trust. Mama, who you there? Me there, man. Daddy there, man. Daddy not gone, man. Daddy check for you. Where you ball about? Where you cry about? Hey, mama miserable. Where you cry about? Come here. Come here. There we go. Yeah. 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 Road time. Full tank of blood clot gas. I'm going to empty by NRD. Full tank of gas. Then say my daughter have on her seatbelt though. You see that? Yo fuck, let me put on my seatbelt too. Hold on the kid. Yeah, so me have on my seatbelt too. You see that? We're all seatbelt up. That's yeah. Right. Swisher misher. Alright, that's right. We're on a mission. On a mission. 8:36 in the morning. That's right. Early bird eat the worm. Early bird know where the worm's at because we never sleep last night, so we watch the worm go find spots. Yeah. So we do it. We have it early. We just wait up late till the worm them come in. Go pick spot. Yeah. The fuck for now. Not true, V. So you and Pops are going to drive road at daytime and chat and cuss and make money and laugh. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. Because that's what we do. Talk, make money, cuss, laugh. Yeah. That's all we do. No, no time to do nothing else. We're too occupied. I mean, I tell you, if me not make money, me get angry, you know. My emotions tied to making money. You see me, I say, yeah, man. So me make sure, say me always I make money. Blood clot, that's some crackhead that, you know. I must crackhead. What them I do around here, so? Them are hours a night. Hours a day, and I'm here the crackhead, you know. Yeah. We in town, you have a certain speed limit where you have to follow around in town, you know. You can't go faster than 35 miles per hour. There's always a police alert. You see what I'm saying? Oh, you're doing in this world, you know? Yeah. Don't make no sense you draw unwanted attention. You see me, I say, Ives? Yeah, no need no unwanted attention. But that no means you have to act like coward and act like you're afraid. It's your boy, Danny British. You know me outside Villa Spliff. See me, I say, go and relax. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man, we're outside. I'm a bridging place, you know what I mean? Build me a nice, good old spliff. Yeah, make me head top lift. Hey, say what, go on. Say hey. Say hey. Say hey. Yeah.
This one I just finished, the LS swap.
So this is a whole
Chevy,
engine swap? Oh, wow.
Modern Chevy motor, yeah.
How much does it cost to do something like this?
Well,
a whole engine swap?
Labor, I did 10 grand.
Okay.
And then, I mean, parts and stuff, he spent maybe 20.
So like a 30 grand job?
Yeah, yeah.
Excluding body?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
That is nice. And it runs perfectly?
Oh, yeah. I have the keys over there, man. It's got so much
Ford or anything?
No.
So this is international that build a truck?
Yeah.
Wow.
International. They build tractors.
I just know them for their trucks. My dad has a few international trucks in Freightliner.
Yeah. Same
Freightliner and what was it? Mack.
Mack, yeah.
Yeah, I had a few Mack trucks.
Yeah, this is international. It's all original. So this
this is all original?
Look how clean this shit is now.
Oh, I love the blue.
Yeah.
I'm surprised he didn't go with the teal.
No, that's factory. Everything on this factory. I tracked down the factory
paint,
emissions logo, all the stuff for the engine. It's gonna look. Everything is being put back to factory. This color right here, this weird blue. That's the factory color for the power steering pumps from Ford.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so it's all. See, even down to the hose right here. I had to get a repop auto light hose.
That's crazy.
To make it all look factory. So I'm just cutting it down to get it on there. But yeah, all factory.
Wow. And this is a bigger job than the last one, huh?
No, this is all just I tore everything apart, new gaskets.
OJ made this car famous, yeah?
He made the 90s Branco.
And this is a 71.
This is 71. This is
more expensive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, this thing is tight.
Do you lift it?
Huh?
Oh, okay. Now I was checking if it's a lift. Would you recommend a lift kit for these guys?
There's a 2-inch on this. Yeah.
Okay.
Stock ride height, it actually sits lower to the ground than this.
Time to make a meal. We ain't stressing, no. We just living, we just flexing, we just sipping. Hey, what's up? Where are we today?
She comes back.
Yeah, grab your oranges. Go ahead, yeah. Only one slice. Yeah, play with your stuff, man. How is that? How is that?
Here.
Mm-hmm.
My phone ring, ring, ring. Time to make a meal. We ain't stressing, we ain't stressing, we ain't stressing, no. We just living, we just flexing, we just sipping slow. We ain't do no stressing, no. 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 We ain't stressing, we ain't stressing, we ain't stressing, no. We just living, we just flexing, we just sipping slow. We ain't do no stressing, no. We ain't. You pay for food, eh?
Is that an electric incinerator?
That was a law enforcement officer.
Huh?
Well, law enforcement officer passed us all ago. He did to enforce the law. See, like they have a struggle. Who do I choose?
House wasn't like this last time we were here, was it?
Eh, them a demolish it. Them a change it. Them a work on it. No, I don't miss your mad. Renovation. Rental fence night. I say Susan place never miss. The food always hit. Now me have the righties. The itis.
Oh, no, not the itis.
Not the itis. It is the itis. No. For real. Yo, free them boys till we see them boys, you know. I prison that, you know. Yeah, man. You know much convict over that, Ross. Free them boys till we see them boys, man. Keep the rapist and the child molester them though. We don't want to see them back. Them can't rotten in there. In America, you know. Orange tree this now. Hey, you can't touch the people. Them orange tree in America are fruit trees, you know, boy. You got jail, you know. In Jamaica, this get raid long time, you know. Oh, God, them people are the ball, man. How would the thugs them a pass? Rascal. Where you go on with? You good? See you hide them bright. Yeah, man. Outside. Where the bugs live. That's right. Sip some baba of roots. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. For the stamina, man. Stamina, man. Where's Sango? Me glad tonight. Oh, yeah, this is tight. Oh, yeah.
Man love you tonight, cause you doing it right. Oh, your pussy's a tight, oh, your pussy's a tight. And him love it when you cock up your foot like kite. Oh, your pussy's a tight, oh, your pussy's a tight. Oh, your pum pum a queen, so you do it for spite. Oh, your pussy's a tight, oh, your pussy's a tight. The man you did have, never did have fuck you. Oh, your vagina so tight.
Well, I have to work on the high key. I have to work on the high key. Work on it. Oh. Dem. That's right.
Self-made nigga, always been a hustler. All I know is get paid, nigga.